mina angikwazi ukukhuluma abantu besakhuluma ne so ngivele ngaphuma ne.
Okay,
So,
yes, akho umuntu
wait, ku-right phela ngicela ninginikeze i-chance guys.
Yes, ma'am.
La into engimangazayo host kukhulunywa ngamaZulu, right? Specifically the Zulus, you hear it. That is a tribalism itself. That is why I also come in. So now wait, ngiphi chance
ngikhuluma ngama-experience abo, maybe you come late.
Exactly, that is why ngithi nginike i-chance ngikutshele ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Yeah, but
Into engilethayo. If uzothatha i-mash and mash related to Zulus, you are touching me. I'm not a mash and mash. So that is why I'm coming and say lithi igama kwaZulu angazi abophakela umthakathi lapho lenza you are then you involve the Zulus. Number 2, lo sisi lo othi singa involve politics la uqale bona bathi amaZulu specifically the
mina ngiwumZulu waseKZN lalela wesisi lalela uzongilinda ke lalela wemfazi olala emasontweni uzongilinda ngikutshela lalela ngeke uzokhulumeke la ngoba noma ungafuna ukuzwa uzokhulume la ngeke uzokhulume la ngeke uzokhulume uzongilinda uzongilinda ngeke uzokhulume ngeke uzokhulume uzolinda kuphendule usushilo uzolinda ke uzofunda ukulinda
angeke mina nawe ake Zulus ake Zulus
igama likaZulu kodwa ke nangumZulu wala eKZN bese sinivumele nezamasimba bese lokho nizenza ama-victim
amaZulu angeke ngivume
udakiwe nami ngumZulu udakiwe ngeke sinivumele nezamasimba la bese lokho nithi Zulu
amaZulu ngiyawazi wrong bawo
ngingcolisa igama lethu nina zinja la nambe nisantuza yonke ikiwi kuma Nigeria bese niyabuya la njengoba ngumsindo la udakiwe ngumZulu nami waseKZN ngisangana nina nambe nihlukumeza abantu la nithuka abantu la zinja ngingcolisa igama lamaZulu udakiwe
wafika kwaZulu
udakiwe futhi ukutshela ukuthi udakiwe udakiwe wena uZulu ngilinde wemano ngifuna ukumtshela kahle lo ngifuna ukumtshela before ngisuke la angikwazi ukuthi ngamtsheli ngilinde uzongilinda ke silimandini somfazi uzongilinda uzoma ikite engizoyilalela ngawo uzoma ulinda ulalele la ngilinde musungingiza la uzongilinda ngabe nisangana la igama likaZulu uzongena wena weZulu la sonke sinamaZulu siyahamba endaweni eningi la nami nisangana la nenze nisangana bese nasithi uZulu
la lokho sisangana
nonke indaba yenu la nizoxhapha la nina
sekuxhaphaza le ndaba noxhaphaza la
uzolinda ama-Nigeria kuqedela ulokhu uzoba ngumsindo
wena isifemu wena
uzolinda
isifemu wena
dakiwe nina
Thandeka
ngeke ngifuna aqala ufake igama laZulu ukumphendula ngimphendule ngifuna ukumphendula ngamphendula ngifuna ukumphendula qala ngeke ngifuna ukumphendula kumele ngimphendule ngilinde ngimphendule uzongilinda futhi seke ngakhala uzuquleke wena uyokhala uzubhoshe wena Nonhlanhla ngilinde ngifuna ukuphendula ngifuna ukubaphendula ima ngiphendule imanga ngibaphendule yabona abafesi lento eniyenzayo ngifuna ngeke sisi ngize ngibayeke uyabona mina ngumZulu la eKZN ngizayo la eKZN laba ngintshele mina abahamba besebenzisa igama likaZulu bese bezenza abantu engathi ama victim ngithini yonke lemkhuba bayenza thina siyahamba sekwamanye amazwe siya eLimpopo siya kumaMatsonga siya travela siya ko-Eastern Cape ngoba sinayo tribalism laba siswami zonke lemkhuba bayenzayo isukela kuyenga yokujola nama-foreigner benaniwe benziwa yonke imikhuba besebeyabuya bezenza ama-victim la sesivume leyo nto thina ngizithini mina ngumZulu wala eKZN kodwa amasimba ngizwani nawo dakiwe nina Uzokwenzani ngesihlalo? Uzobuza nje. Uzokwenzani uthi ngihlala lapha neKZN uzowenzani? Rubbish. Konje umuntu mayekhuluma nemsabisa zinja. Ungibuza amasimba wena cabashi. Ungibuza udoti. Ungibuzela ndo masimba. Konje niyambulala nina umuntu bentshela iqiniso igebengu ndini ekukhohlakala nenkabi. Zinja ilizwi la. Sikhatheli nina nisijwayela kambi nina. Ngisakiwe nina. Fena nje yonke imfundo ebolile yomngcola la. Nihambe nenze ukukhohlakala bese nizenza ama victim. Zinja. Godoyi lesizwe ngathini.
Hello guys.
Lesizwe thina ngani? Hambe nifaka uZulu yonke indawo nifaka uZulu. Engathi uZulu nina kuphela.
Thandeka. Please. Wawume kancane. Unontata akasenalo nanezwi. Manje angisazi ukuthi kumele nginicontrol kanjani ngoba nina
Igqitshwa butshwala ilizwe kaNonhlanhla.
Thula crush.
Akibulokothi.
Imbamba eship.
Imbamba le.
Intombi yakhe ishilo ngoku akasankalelwa eNigeria.
Sebenza mina angiphuzi. Udakiwe. Nisho ukuthi ngifuna nihambe nina.
Phuza.
Yimamanu. Uma umfundisi kaNonhlanhla babatiwe.
Information
Hello. Meaning that I need to start a panel afresh because you guys now you are doing me hard time. You are giving me hard time. You know what? Why I want this to happen? I can hear it's not like she don't have a voice, but she's crying that you guys will need to live with your husbands or whatever. Even you guys will say you are not going anywhere. This was gonna be a very nice debate that we never have. But you guys like, yes, but
Ramaphosa asikwa ndawo
Sihleli mama, sihleli uyaza mama.
Yes, nihleli anindawo ngiyanizwa kodwa nami nosisiNotata uyantshela ukuthi kumele nihambe but le nto idinga ukuthi ibe i-debate manje you guys you are not giving a chance. This is very wonderful.
Khala zabhoshe lo khala zabhoshe
abasususirila Ramaphosa
khala zabhoshe abayindawo abayindawo khala uzubhoshe sisi
akhiphura Ramaphosa uzubhoshe abayindawo bese siyahamba
abayindawo zabhoshe
Mamelani before
uyokhala uzubhoshe Nonhlanhla uyokhala uzubhoshe sisi uyokhala uzubhoshe abayindawo
Thandeka mama uNonhlanhla ngoba une-energy Nonhlanhla yokusitshela ukuthi asambe akaqale ahamba emzini kaZuma yokhipha ingane zaZuma ngithi zazalele eMozambique abaqale khona sibona ukuthi bayahamba abantu.
Please guys, you have the audience. We have like 320. Please, listen to me, please. You guys, you are very powerful. You have like 329 people who are listening to you guys. But now, even them, they want to hear you guys. They just want. Guys. So, like you guys, you are talking, all of you in the same time. Let's start with my sister on top. While Mama Mfundisi, she's taking water. She's coming back. And then we start. Please, Sisu Unolutando. Please, Mama, say what you want to say without putting in Dunu or anything that you make people...
Mama, angindawo. Nomuntu amfutha kanjalo. Angindawo. Sizohlala la, ngizohamba ngesikhathi sami. Yabona mina, nginomuze naJela ngakhile. Ngizohamba ngesikhathi sami. Angeke ngizwe ngabantu. Umuntu wami unamaphepha nakho konke. If makudlala ukuthi abantu abanamaphepha nakho konke abahambe abaqalele phezulu kweParliament akithi nezingane zakhona zazalelwe koMaputo wabazoqala la phansi kubantu sakubona from le
So wena ukusho lokhu ngoba ubanike wena uJolofina.
yebo imloyo
Okay.
angindawo
Done. Okay. Siye phezulu.
Answer usisi.
Okay, mama Mfundisi. Usicela ukuthi ukhulume yabona nje uNoluthando ukhulume kamnandi. Thank you so much Noluthando eJolofina for ukuthi ukhulume usho ukuthi awuyindawo. Sisino umama Mfundisi wena uthini ngalokho?
Yeah, bengithola icall nengiyaxolisa bengisakhuluma kahle kahle.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, angithi bengisathi usisi uthe singafaka ipolitiki ngithi ukhumbula ukuthi phela yini enifaka ipolitiki angithi. So but yeah, go right anifakanga. Yes, I know ukuthi kufanele ngivume yonke into angithi akusu live one. Yeah, anifakanga, it's fine. Yeah, into engishoyo ukuthi yeah, thank you mawuthi bangathukani because mangabe bethukana cha kuyathukana ke vele. Into engishoyo mina ukuthi yeah, actually I was here for the Zulus. Actually I hear the name Zulus. Yeah, that
Yes.
you only bring it up here ukuthi when you specifically say Zulus ngizobuya ngimamela ukuthi ubani wena umXhosa umSwati yini because we tired thina amaZulu nathi ukuthuka, right? Into siyenza ngokusemthethweni futhi akekho ozophika uma ngabe wena ucala ukuthi lento yamaZulu phela, it's up to you, it's your ignorance. Lento asiyamaZulu phela yabantu base South Africa ba affectekile. Yes, akudingeki ke ukuthukana ukuthi nisithuke for lokho ukuthi abobani laba bongiphakela umthakathi bayakudina. Please don't come for us Zulus. Uphakela umthakathi ukuthi uphakela umthakathi ukutheni has nothing to do with Zulu because if you say Zulu ngizokutshela ke nami ke ngizokutshela nje.
Okay.
Go to hell.
Mama Mfundisi, if you were saying that umuntu akangakhulumi ngamaZulu kwali lo muntu oyumZulu sithini ngalokho? Because umuntu okhulume lokho uwumZulu phaqa.
Cha lo uyaphapha lo umZulu umXhosa lo bengikhuluma naye kahle kahle ngize kuye ngqo because nje bengizomtshela ukuthi ubuZulu abulande intabe ubudoda abulande entwabeni kwaZulu ubudoda kumZulu kusengqondweni. That's why amaZulu ashiya phansi intaba ahamba yolwela imhlaba wawo. So shiya phansi amaZulu alwela umhlaba wawo, simple as that. If nina nithengise ngomhlaba wamaXhosa kweni lokho no but beni laba bazi babondlwa ama-Nigeria abondlwa ama-Nigeria has nothing to do with us Zulus. Yes, let's see chupita ifana nalesilima lesesidayisa umnqondo for ama-Nigeria has nothing to do with
When
this.
you phela mosubiza
So nje ungazosidakela.
Ungazothukisa ikaka.
yabona yathu
Ungazothukisa umnqundu luthethayo. Mama Mfundisi othukisayo. Ungazothukisa ikaka. Uyeka isiko lamadoda. Kasi nithuke ngesiko lenu nina. Uyeka isiko lamadoda amaXhosa. Uliyeke because awuliyazi. Ungazothi umnqundu wakho.
Uyeka amaZulu nawe sitakwandile.
Umnqundu luthethayo. ngamaZulu aqale kaka ndisatsho ngamaZulu aqale kaka ndisatsho manje ngesiko lamadoda ngezothetha ngesiko lamadoda amaXhosa yakho yoba bulala nathi isiko lamadoda asilazi ikaka zokuqala zathengisa ilizwe nini maZulu nathengisa abalungwini azosinyela isiko lamadoda uyeke yona amadoda ase-Eastern Cape naseKapa uyeke isiko lawo because awulazi asilazi nathi singabafana.
Crash, please crash. Please crash. You, I'm almost there. I'm coming to you now. I'm coming. Mama Mfundisi, please. This is why I said to people they must not
madoda ethu apha notata bethu nobhuti bethu azosinyela
ngondoleza amadoda
azosinyela apha.
Notata, please, Notata, please. And you are not even a Xhosa right now. We are saying sorry to the Xhosas. Mama Mfundisi, but Notata.
Unyoko nonhlanhla isibhanqa unyoko.
Notata. Please, you respect yourself, even though you cannot respect me. Please respect yourself. I'm saying to Mama Mfundisi,
uzalirespekta isiko lamadoda ase-Eastern Cape. Isiko amadoda se-Eastern Cape uzalirespecta sisi. Asazi nix ngesiko lenu. Amaxhosa ase-Eastern Cape uzawarespecta amaxhosa ase-Eastern Cape. They're going to respect
nyangana zulu izibhanga lezi.
Mini please.
Asifuna hlangane la. Sizohlangana. Azodliwa thina.
Shiwe kaloku sanelutho.
Nkanka, I'm gonna give you your time. Guys, I'm trying to make this thing work for us, but it seems like right now I have a headache.
But manun kaluthethe. Jonga manu, makangathethi ngesiko lamadoda. Asilazi thina isiko. Thina silazi isiko lapha e-Eastern Cape lamadoda aziwa ngamadoda. Mangazosiqhela kakubathele ngesiko lethu. Asithethi ngelabo isiko thina. Angazoqhela ngesiko lethu apha. Angazoqhela amadoda ethu apha. Angazoqhela kakhulu amadoda ase-Eastern Cape apha. Hawa thenga isiko. Wakawaluka wena thenga isiko yalazi isiko. Yalazi isiko. Kawaluka azosinyela. Azonyela amaxhosa. Azonyela amadoda.
Niyawashiya amadodenu nihambe
amadoda amaxhosa yazirespecta thina. Amadoda amaxhosa abarespecta abafazi bamaxhosa. Not
asuka respecta kuphi ngoba ndiyafebe namazayizayi.
Okay, I think that this thing is not working out, guys. I just think that it's not really working out for us.
Never.
Can you close the door, please? I think this thing is not working out for us, guys. I think we need to change the topic, but it was a wonderful topic. We were going to talk, but I can see that it seemed like it's not going to work. Mama Mfundisi, we agree. No swearing. Ayikho umuntu othuka omunye umuntu la. Siyakhuluma as abantu besifazane. But Mama Mfundisi nje uqale wavesane wayimosha lento le. If uvikela amaZulu ngiyakutshela ukuthi umuntu okhulumile uMzulu. So you mean that Mama Mfundisi wena kuphela umele ukhulume ngamaZulu enomunye uMzulu afanele akhulume ngamanye amaZulu. Iba wrong.
Mina engikhulumile, mina uMzulu la eKZN. Ngisi ngithini? Wema no imangihleli sengifuna ukuphuma ngiyogeza manje lalela. Sisi amaZulu ngola eKZN mina ngwaseshow ngwakhoza isibongo. Ngisi ngithini? Wakakhoza. Njoba ngokakhoza nje mina ngizalele ebukhosini bakakhoza. Ngisi ngithini? Esibodini kwesakakhoza. Ngilinde. Angimazi ukuthi ukhuluma noNhlanhla ngicela ulinde.
Amashangane, okhoza amashangane.
Ngilinde.
Okhoza amashangane kusamaZulu bafika kwaZulu.
Ngilinde.
Balanda ushaka abakhoza amashangane.
Ngilinde wena. Ngilinde.
Amashangane dasha.
Ngilinde. Limandini. Ushaka wenzani ngoba ushaka wayelala namantombazane ngenkane wa raper. Bangitshela ngoshaka mina.
UNonhlanhla nje Mama Mfundisi.
Ngitshela ngoshaka wayenzani ushaka yini umsebenzi kaShaka ngoba ushaka wayesikhohlakala ebulala abafazi ethi ababula abafazi abakhulelwe wayidume ngani lo Shaka kunjenje izweni imisebenzi kaShaka Hlamandini.
Please your language. Mama Mfundisi, I don't know if I don't know, and I think that Mama, you need to check yourself because you cannot. I don't know why. Seriously, we have to be like this because it was a wonderful thing. Women, they were need to talk.
Bacanga ukuthi ushaka waye innocent. Wayengayona inkosi ayi innocent.
Lumethandeka. Usho bufusa ukusho. Yo, angisana nothi ngithini nami.
Angisahleli sisi ngifuna ukuphuma yazi sisi ngiwumZulu la eKZN. Ngizalela eKZN abazali bami bala eKZN eSouth Africa. Into engiphatha kabi ngamaZulu enza into ezirong nje ubumono ba-tribalist imvamisa yabo. Bathuka abantu bamanye bazinye inhlanga, bathuka amantsonga, mubuka ivideo na ivideo sikubhudo seLimpopo basakaveza iID. Ngokisi ngithini? Bafuna every time makwenzeka into ibe ngomZulu. Thina abanye amaZulu siyawathanda abanye ama-tribe. Ngokisi ngithini? Siya travela siye kwamanye amakhaya, kwamanye ama-province. Every time mabethuka abantu bafuna ukuthi sihlangana Zulu kube ngathi sonke sikulento abayiyona sifana nabo njalo sonke isikhathi even siswami ngifuna ukuthi ngikunike nje isithombe khona umfana oyivotelwa la wangazi ukuthi owala eKZN kwakusuke kune competition lento yokuvota ngisi ngithini kuvotela nomfana wase Eastern Cape kuvotela umfana wala kwaZulu Natal le nto eyingasekho ngokuthi igame kuyavotwa eyisinalento ukuthi ipolitiki yokuthi mina ngumZulu Ngangisengithini leyo nto leyo enziwa abangasebenzisa uZulu entweni yababenza njalo benza izinto ezibhedayo bese befaka amaZulu thina thina singahlakani nalento uma ngizwa ngifika kwamanye ama province ngikhuluma ngizotshwa naba labantu sihlanganiswa nabo ngangisengithini and njengoba beclaima bela kulo life bezoclaim ukuthi bona abanyanya amaNigeria ngikutshela siswami 100% noma ake ngithi 90% wamantombazane eSouth Africa alalile namaNigeria alalile namaCongolese alalile namalokhu nalobo bhuti bangaphandle amaZimbabwe ngoba ngisho abalidabo ophakela umthakathi baphuma kumaNigeria baphuma kumaZimbabwe lokhu njane lokhu njane ulalele Nigeria akaphikanga ukuphakela umthakathi uthi sebahlukana kodwa ulalile nalo ulithastile ngakisingithini lokho Jacinta balalile namaNigeria uze lokhu njane kukolo naba nje bayivumela balalele nalabantu ngakisingithini most amantombazana ase-South Africa most 90% wabo sebelalile namaNigeria
allegedly
balaliwe inkinga nje siswami kuukuthi into abaphatha kabi labantu abanye babo abaphumelelanga kulento ababeyifisa umona osukayo umona kufanele manje sina silwe izimpi zabo zokuthi balalwe yilabantu babashiya kanjalo nabo phakela umthatha bakhala ukuthi kwamunqa indaba yokumunqa kanjalo singena kanjani emunqweni kwabantu
Zimbabwe wakhe
sikhathi singena phi emunqweni kwabantu ukuthi umuntu umunqa kanjani uhlulwa yini uhambe uyofcela abakufundisa ukuthi kumunqa kanjani iyona into efanele siyikhulume leyo sihlangana ngaleyo nto la ukuthi sikhulume indaba zomamunqa umuntu angasilwisa into zama relationship zakhe labo sisi abasathanda namaNigeria abaqhubeke eSouth Africa ukho nje ilaw ethi hlukana nomuntu wokufika makuwumlungu kuhle bayancoma intombazane mina nomlungu uma ngabe ineNdiya kuhle mina eKhaladi kuhle umuntu uyayikhethela ukuthi ubafuna ukuthandana naye uphakela umthakathi ulele neZimbabwe akazi sisho lutho elala nani okumnanda ngithi khona emotweni ejabula uphakela umthakathi ubone kade limunca naye ilokhuzana eMozambique lakhe
yena akasafuna ukuthi nathi sizoloku
asafuna abantu abamunce manje hayi usandlala ngathi guys ngiyabonga
Thando close your mic okay Thandeka ungafisa ukuthi
umnyuthe lo mama lo umnyuthe lo mama
not Western or the South Africans
ordenwa ngalo lo
okay please
ngalo
Young asinika uThandeka ithuba then sizobuya kube 111 sobuyela mama umfundisi ngoba uba wayilahla le
uyilahla impela siwe
uyilahla direction nango
abafazi hlukana
nokuba
thula
okay
mama umfundisi ndekwami
imaki
umfundisi otheni yena onje ukhuluma
ngamasuse lo mfazi lo awususe lo dodo lo mfazi bami
ngalo let's step back to 11 Mute,
imaki
please.
Sengibuyileke bamuthi ngibuyile lalela welokhuzana emngani wami
na ungathuki inkamba phela mntasi
okay mano we mano lona uma mfundisi yazi uma mfundisi ufunani ufuna ukudictator ufuna ukutshela abantu base South Africa ukuthi abathanda amapepa amhlophe abelungu ufuna yazi ukuthi indaba esho njalo une-enga ilento engikutshela yona isafakaza ukuthi umNigeria ulalile naye waqeda ngaye uyazi naye ukuthi njengoba sebe engasafuna eNigeria bacosha ngisho umuntu ohluphekele bakucosha usuphelile bakucosha indasekho indaba yakho mamqedile amaNigeria lo mama useya ngapha kubelungu uyazi ama-white anothando ufuna wonke umuntu aye khona ngoba unale enga yakhe angagculisekanga ngayo bamqedile amaNigeria lo mama and nginayo ubufakazi lo mama wayikhuluma ngo-2024 kuzoba ama-election komunye ulife ebusuku ngo-1 bekhuluma ngendaba amaNigeria ekhala ethi uhlukumezekile ave hlukumezekile iNigeria lafike lamhlukumeza 2024 kuzoba kuma-election angithi lento abayenza kakhuluma kuzoba ama-election kwakulife wango-1 ngithi ngithini nginabo ubufakazi balo mama ukuthi unamaNigeria akhe ngimlalele ku-life ngimuzwa ekhuluma
Thandeka kade uma le ndaba
yokuthi eNigeria lo go deeper
imayang Thandeka kade lokhu yisho lento laba mama umfundisi namaNigeria but uma umfundisi uyakhala uthi nina nifuna ukuyeka amaNigeria so mama umfundisi uthini wena ngale ndaba yakho ukuthi uthiwa wena awufuna abanye bezwe amaNigeria when wazwile
mina ngithi amaNigeria phela phethe impipe emkhulu abaqedile umlungu ambaza wena nje umlungu awusamfanelanga uqedwe amaNigeria
Elanga
Wayekla
mele.
inkonzo lethi
Nigeria aphethe ivalo ukulunga sakhe when useless.
Wedwe.
Uyakathi namadoda ase-South Africa asiqedwanga ama-Nigeria.
Uphelile wena wawukhala
Wena usana taste wena kulelu. Amadoda ase-South Africa wanifuni.
Mama Mfundisi
Amadoda ase-South Africa nizihovo zehogo.
news phela guys. Mama Mfundisi bathi wena umzwile umNigeria uthini wena ngalokho bathi wena
mina ngithi sisi banehobo bahobhokile phansi amadoda
Nezakho sidwedwe ufuna ukuvuma sikuzwile siyakwazi ukuthi you've been dating Nigerians. We know you bastard.
Uyibhimbi lokukhuluma yethi ukuhola amabutho.
Angithi ngiyavuma angiyavuma uzokhula kancane demo kancane uyakhula thina siyalibona ushintsho kuye siyalibona thina ushintsho kuyena kancane uyashintsha siyalibona ushintsho thina kuyena siyambona siyabona uyalalela ngababa
Simano umhlisi cika kabili umuntu ongabona ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi emhlabeni ubaluleke ukudlula yonke into umuntu wesifazane umuntu ongahloniphi nje umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi anginamzonke mina namadoda
sankinga labantu besifazane mara hloniphani uphaka lomthakathi
simhloniphe sithini simhloniphe sithini my feet on my feet
ni right nikhuluma
umuntu okwazi ukuthuka abantu besifazane abathuke ngocansi abathuke ngani athuke nabantu aba-wrong even nabantu abangazi lutho aba-innocent abathuke kahle sisi kahle ini wena unjeke lapho kuma-comment ukublockhe leyo muntu uthi
akathuki umuntu wesifazane woke umuntu uyamthuka lo baba lo wrong akayi ukuthi abantu besifazane kuphela nabantu besilisa makwenza wrong uyakuthuka awuyabathuka ukuthi nje wena uyamzonda umzonda susifaka
angimzondi mina angimzondi uphakela umthakathi ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo ngizonda indlela akhuluma ngayo
ukukhuluma kabi kuphela that's all
niyamtshela naloko niyamtshela indoko ngoba nisuke nithi hey hlangana
ngijabula labadayisa ama-drugs
into eniyaziyo
niyakujabulela lokho
nini esijabulelayo yini esijabulayo
kodwa sisawuhlisa inhliziyo hlisani bafowethu
hayi shwa but Vusi angithandi mina umuntu ongahloniphi umuntu wesifazane ubaluleke kabi okay isifani balwa necountry yabo anginankinga naloko nokulwa necountry mina but
yini kankinga inzondo engaka inzondo yini inzondo engaka angithi siyavuma ukuthi ube wrong kumele atshele ukuthi phela umthakathi ukhulume kahle
indaba nisintshela indaba zenu indaba nisibiza ngojelofini
sorry bafethu sicela ukukuveza naloku noba singena kushisa sicela ukukuveza nalokuthi kaloku kuba khona nama-provocation and uzobuka kahle kwezinye i-meeting angithi ngikhulumela uphakela umthakathi laphayana ukubabona ama-addressa and then you find that mhlambe that corner that certain group let's say abantu abatsha abancinci uya-address abalibele badisturbile bayenza noise and they are against the spirit of addressing while they chose to be part of that march, and then when they reach there they just disrupt. They seems not to be impressed, although they decided to join. But however, we cannot say the wrong is right. Wrong is wrong, guys. Wrong is wrong. We also look those emotions, because at some point you find that we are traveling kulama march unihambile almost boma 1.5 kilometer uyatsho nangalela la nguthi babe kuleya building bajumpa baya kwenye building. Kunama frustration nama disorder ne planning bantwana basekhaya. Let us not like, I feel like for me we want to grab the Martian March in another way, because what is raised, the negativity, the influence, the goal, even kwi leadership ye country, even kuma leaders eswabona manje nakuRamaphosa makakhuluma izolo ukuthi it has to be addressed into yama foreigner and akafuni futhi ukuthi not all foreigners illegally foreigners and uzokwazi ukuthi nalapha akaqhuquzeli ukuthi kube ne violence angeke azaqhuquzela ukuthi kuliwe nabantu and uyacela ukuthi abantu bayenze sure ukuthi bayalalela vele siwabonile ama campaign amaningi the people they were very positive because what do they want now to do the common goal is one is to address one issue so that we can check another solution enye ezayo siyibonile ipurpose yemarch and march ikudala ikhona from last year kuMarch until namanje guys kuMarch so what we are seeing is ngasicabanga ukuthi vefuza kwase kumosheke kakhulu we saw ukuthi khona inegativity evelile we know ukuthi sihlala ziba khona izinto ezibhedayo ezingekho right with these marches however mawuzobuka the period ehanjwe imarch and march up to here now we have to congratulate siyakwazi ukubona iAfrica the entire continent ikhuluma ngalonto angeke guys siblame imarch and march yebo sis
yazi indlela engikwazi ngayo ukuthi uyayithanda imarch and march indlela ngayo ukuthi uyayithanda imarch and march uthe uJacinta uphakela umthakathi akayona imarch and march so thina besingakangeni nje kwimarch and march since nje besingakangeni kwimarch and march besakhuluma ngebehavior kaphakela umthakathi
asibheke ke nayo ke guys will analyze kakhulu ibehavior kodwa simbonile ukuthi impact ne direction ebekayenza uphakela umphakathi bekuyi positivity ukuncedisana nabantu base South Africa and experience ayibonile naye we cannot run away sithi mangaba manje sesizo highlighter kakhulu la kungenziwanga kahle guys we have to go away with that mentality ukuthi naye uphakela umthakathi with discipline yakhe le ekhalwa ngayo idiscipline yakhe lekhalwa ngayo because uzobona ama provocation ebekenziwa direct
ngephi la khona enze kahle
naku guys
they leave the country where's the job the one you crying about where's the job show us the proof where's
the jobs are already
Xhosa ladies and
okay guys let us understand the jobs are already yabona mangaba sisi ubone kahle the jobs asingakhulumi ngaloko asingicela ukuthi mina ngingabheki lelo cala angikakabheki kulezo ndawo zo job guys mina ngisabheke kuleli side li1 ukuthi into right ebekumele yenzeke ebeyenziwa na kuuye uphakela umthakathi I'm not
inkinga kunika imali wena usihambe nabo kunika imali ngihambe nabo anginangxaki nalokho anginangxaki nalokho ngoba ingxaki yini ukuthi inkinga engifuna ukutshela iqiniso yabona simane ukuthi
hey Minnie I'm muting you and then please guys use English remember
okay thank you we'll use yeah but for me guys I'm just going to emphasize this point for me for my thinking and for how I see things for iside la kaphakela umthakathi I will not dwell too much to misbehavior as enzile because the impact in the guy is great and then the umthelela uyabona umthelela omuhle
count the impact please can you count for just for me not Minnie just for me count the impact then phakela umthakathi the one that you are talking about I think that there's 700 and something people here whatever people 170 something just count for us the impact and put us in mind what is that they've done right just put us in mind so that we can see a bigger picture of this impact we are counting because right now we are talking about how our feelings have been whatever and then you are just like I feel like you guys you always undermine that side you want us to leave that side and then go and celebrate
you must check first here we must check here ngiyakuzwa kahle sisi but first we must check ukuthi iziphi izinto why do we guys always seems ukuthi utarget a group like uyamuzwa usisimini ezansi ukuthi uthini so mina to you straight to you wena engikhuluma nawo host mawucabanga wena why kuvele kube ukuthi uphakela umthakathi uvele abe direct athi kuyophiswana ngama way wabo like lento beyikhulunywa usisi uzwile ukuthi bekayibeka kanjani why because kuzike kunezinkulumo eziprovoke that need ukuthi kuphendulwe regardless ukuthi ukukhulunywa kanjani and inhloso ngaleso sikhathi kuzike zizokwenzakala lonto leyo people abagcina babheka blame that uphakela umthakathi thing all insizwa kuzika kuabantu besifazane abajola nabantu bangaphandle abanabantwana ekhaya which is angeke sithi i-wrong or i-right ayikho wrong because is a flood of illegal immigrants in the country is a flood of illegal immigrants in the country and then being normalizing the abnormal situation that we are seeing our brothers using powder our brothers is seeking discipline the indigenous culture is losing in the country. There was a lot, guys. There is a lot is happening, and we cannot say when we're fighting that.
Vusi,
yes,
you know
yes.
why ningazombona uphakela umthakathi ba urongo because lento kunini cimfana bayi culture kahle kahle lento yinani yokudelela abafazi kunini yenza culture kuthi ke sithenga
no this is not the right thing.
That is why you are standing here.
Can I say this?
Uyakhasa umntana xa ekhasa makayokhasa lapha kuthi asikhasi kule country yandiva
imake sisimamela ke angisho ukuthi
yena kakabi na imbeko makaphume uyayiqonda akazusimela thina uzawumela the fools that are like you guys and people who are taking
your emphasize at this point
your culture these people culture yeyoba bahlukumeza abafazi and they are women here enjoying because most of women thinking that I am obeying to my husband. For us that is not a culture kuni culture that is why nimthethelela
ana sisicela ukuveza leli point eli1 angimthetheleli for irong ngicela ukuveza leli point eli1 ngini nonke la ngicela ukuveza leli point eli1 guys no we are not going to do that
nina into enisibonisa yona into abafazi benu nina niyabahlukumeza. That is why when you talk to all the women ithetha ngehlobo. That is why you are standing here today usixelela ba hayi uphakela umthakathi izininzi so we should overlook izinto ezenziwe nguphakela umthakathi in meaning
uyakhulu wena mntana sekhaya. Okay, can I go off ramp kancane ngiphume kancane kulento oyisho ngithi kuwe sisi wena ukhuluma isiXhosa uthethe isiXhosa ungowase Eastern Cape right uthethe isiXhosa ndizakukhumbuza into encinci bangakanani abantwana abanabotata abangaphandle abakhulele Eastern Cape abahamasemakhaya yet it's a respect because we never question our sisters when they bring those kids who abotata babangaphandle siyabakhulisa abantwana bediggers lethu angikhondona ukuthi uphakela umthakathi adelele akhulume kabi angeke ngikusho lokho but we need to check ukuthi you guys that is why you will do anyway anything is to favor or to maneuver any situation ezovela kuphakela umthakathi negativity because we know a majority of you have benefited a lot kuma foreign boyfriends. Now that is why you always shift
yes, you have benefited a lot nina kubantu abamhlophe tina we differ there tina we choose what blacks when you choose to benefit in whites that is the difference.
Yeah, but we cannot say even does it right.
When you chase let me tell you that is why Nina when you choose to chase illegal immigrants you do not see that a white person or you do not see that there are whites here who are here illegally. To you think that it's also all the criminals are blacks. You overlook that here recently. There was something that was said by Amapolisa that they found a farmer with Mexicans and Ilando Iburas. You will never match for that, can you?
But Sisi, can you understand the Martian match? It's not only for one people.
Sorry, Putwam. Number one nje labantu abakhomenda la sekuningi esengikuzwile kulosiso la lopho osekuqaleni lo usisiyanga uyambona number 1 uthi abantu ziful lo muntu nje qala nje is a red flag ngapho ugxeka uphakela umphakathi kodwa ubiza abantu
you will be a fool to me if uthethelela umuntu ohlukumeza umfazi you will be a fool and nothing else but a fool
uthi is a fool angithi ubiza abantu ngeyilima kodwa ngapho ubona uphakathi umthakathi enjani engumuntu orong we understand
kakade and wena if uyamthethelela you will be a fool to me
uzoimprove umthakathi
okay
against
umthakathi uzaw improve
sizomlandela sokusala ngomlandela ngomlandeli wena uhlakaniphile
umlandela kaloku uzawulandelwa zifuze ezifana nawe because you do the same
umlandeli wena uhlakaniphile wena uhlakaniphi umlandeli wena ohlakaniphile mna inhlonipho ayikho okwangiva mangikhuluma igama lokuthi fool kubantu uyabonakala ukuthi awuqeqeshanga kokwenu
You are a fool to stand before me and telling me that mnyamezeleni ubuthema semnyamezele.
Number one,
Can I answer?
How do you tell a woman that mnyamezeleni
what is he fool?
yima buthi masithethe kahle masihlisa umoya. How do you tell women that umuntu disrespect ohlukubeza abafazi ngelahlo othetha kanje uthi wena sipha mnyamezeleni uzawuba right? How do you say that? And you want me to say that you clever?
Ngithena mina kuwe sisi mamela ngithe sisi uphakela umthakathi wenze amaphutha nginotisile ukuthi uphakela umthakathi maningi amaphutha banawenza the more abantu becomplaina uyashange kancane izinto eziniki uyashange uphakela umthakathi uzothi abe yilento esiyifunayo
Usakhasa
agree ukuthi ukhulume kabi
usakhasa utsho
sizwile siphatheke kabi mangendlela akhulume ngayo ukuthi sobabili nawe ukuthi wena unenzondo ophakela umthakathi uthina sizweka buhlungu kodwa sinanzondo nayo you understand umehluko wethu phithini soba u2 sizwile umzimzwile nami mayikhuluma phakela umthakathi kulo wasisi ngaphatheka bad but inkinga yami ukuthi angimzondo phakela umthakathi wena umzwile kanti unenzondo ngaphakathi that's all umehluko wethu sobabili
phakela nayo unenzondo nayo self man
Nansi nayo uphakela. Okay guys, mina ngizongena ngale point ine. Ngicela ucacisa le point. There is this thing, okay, ukuthi engi-understandela emphakathini njengoba sikhona now. Some other people are defending with emotions because they've benefited on the other side. And some other people are defending because they've benefited on the other side too. For example, I will talk about my experience, my only experience on my side. First of all, when you are addressing, especially once you become part of the general meeting or that group of people and there's an address in there, you don't vocally voice out what you are not happy while the meeting was not for a council meeting, debate meeting. Because if ulalela kahle uphakela umthakathi lapha yana is addressing kwi-march actually kuyi-program ya-ongoing la ayenzayo ney'nsizwa zakhe. Therefore now the group of people who decided to join to be part of that address baveza bona ungabi happy nalo awo ukuze babonakalise disrespect. Yet again, when you check inkulumo eziphoswa kuphakela umthakathi yabanye abantu, you find ukuthi there's a lot of disrespect emphushelayo ukuzaza khulume kanje, because the emphasizing goal kuphakela umthakathi lapha yakula conversation you will see ukuthi is only leading to the discipline. Yes, ukhulume seke khuluma kabi, but the purpose of addressing ngalandlela beka addresswa ngayo beke addressa i-discipline. Yet because we don't want to see what you are fighting for, we try to find excuses or build another narrative agenda associating or coming closer to the march and march or phakela umthakathi's purpose for the people. So therefore, vele ngilindele ukuthi sizobona lokho sikubonayo, but mina nje for me guys, it was wrong ukuthi ukhulume kanjana, it was wrong ukuthi ukhulume kanjana, but i-purpose is right.
Uyadefenda nyani nawe into nenzima xa umuntu right
ngicela ukubuza into eyodwa nje, ngicela ukubuza into enye bhuti wami, ukuthi uphakela umthakathi uchaza ukuthini methi umuntu wesifazane kumele aguqe inkosi mayikhuluma uyinkosi because thina sazi inkosi enye yakaZulu
akasho
yena ezinkosi cela unginbox
mamela makakhuluma pha
stop there.
Ima ngicela uphendule lapho ukuthi uthini uthi ukhuluma kahle ima ndingi-emphasizele le ndawo oyikhulumayo kanye uthi uphakela umthakathi umuntu wesifazane angayibheki ngisho ukuyibheka inkosi makuhamba ku-address inkosi kodwa yena akazange asho ukuthi uyinkosi yena akazange asho ukuthi uyinkosi ndati uzekelisile lapha
ukude phambili lapha.
Whoa, let me ask something, Vusi.
Yes.
As I get few videos where our king is talking and everyone is standing.
Lalela sisi kudependa mamela ke
lapho sikhombise la le video sishoyo sibone le camera
le ukubekela lana sisi ukuthi mawuzothi abantu bastand udependa apho ku address yabona makusenkosini kusenkundleni yasenkosini bahlala phansi vele abantu abawomama kodwa mangaba ku-addresswa kukwi-public njengalapha angithi ngisakuphendula ngoku ninginike iplatform yokuphendulwa ngoku mangaba ku-addresswa kuyi-public kunjengalapha yakuba nesizotha enkosini njengoba uyubone ale kukhuluma eqala amakomiti before ikhuluma inkosi ngoba mangabe uke wathetha inkosi ikhuluma nakhona uyaxinwa kwakhona
Iman guys Iman molweni kuqala
bafowethu mina ngicela ukuthi nje
sorry English back you just that this nje you know what Vus there is a way of talking to people. You guys were going to defend it and defend it. Since I grow up as a Zulu woman, there is a way of talking.
Can I correct here? I'm not defending any wrong. But if you hear the speech, the narrative speech, can I answer here? I'm not defending.
Mina ngikhuluma akekho umuntu ofanele ukuthi akhulume njengamanje. You know, that is wrong. We don't have to be just screaming. We just talk about something that was wrong and then you guys will go mad because you want to explain something that is wrong and make us now look like a villain that we are saying it's wrong. If you grow up in a Zulu kingdom,
I just want to finish this part and then I'm done. Let me finish this part, then I'm done. No, my position is this, guys. I'm not defending the wrong speech. I'm pulling off. Let me emphasize this point, then I'm pulling off. I'm not defending the speech. I'm not saying the speech was correct. I'm not saying the type of address was correct either. What I'm trying to emphasize here is that while he was addressing, he was doing that mistake. According to my understanding, he was only sending the discipline without even aware the insult that is there and how big it is. And I'm not going to say he was right about that. Now, but if you check the narrative, the way he was addressing was only emphasizing the disturbance to deliver his speech. Thank you.
Bruce, thank you so much, my brother. Can I put you down? How old is this Phakile Mthakathi we are talking about? That the people they can say you cannot know what is wrong that is coming out of his mouth.
Yes, Mano, you see, these people they are busy here calling us about Jolofino. Jolofino mkhulu wokuqala uyena Phakile Mthakathi uyena waphendla indlela wavula indlela pha. Ngoba ngathi senilibele ukuthi Jolofino na uJolofino mkhulu Phakile Mthakathi bejona no Zimbabwean woman. Don't
about
yintoni ukutya kwasezim bethu nani yintoni idishi yasezim
Tomolina. Don't take away Tomolina. How? You're going to call me Jolofina? I'm not Jolofina, I'm Kwangafina. Phakathi is Tomolina.
Tomolina Tomolina wabo yini engabatshela ukuthi kunjani pha bahambe bayotesta nabo ngele lapha mechaza lapha
Manzafina. Someone is writing Manzafina. I think it's some food there. It's Manzafina. Hello, Kodisa.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
Kunjani?
Okay, let's go back to the topic.
Right now.
Good.
Hayi ndiyaniva itopic yenu.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah, my brother, welcome, my brother.
Hi. Okay, yeah, ndiyaniva itopic yenu. But ndinombuzo mna oyi-1. uPhakele Mthakathi okay masithi urongo ke. Because asiyazi isizathu esibangela uba enzela hlobo. But amaZulu bekufanele kanti aya-understand because i-culture yawo ayazi ihamba njani.
Hamba njani baba?
Okay, number 1. Hayi andingomZulu mna ndizakuxelela ngesiXhosa i-culture. Wena ngumZulu bekufanele uyayazi ukuthi ithini into xa kuzawuthethwa ngumuntu oyinkosi wenu. Uyabo uyichazile uPhakela so nina bayaziyo.
Okay.
Yes. So ke ngoku apha number 1 usisi apha ezantsi uyacomplaina uthi kumke i300 Ghanaians ziphi job ze300 Ghanaians kubani ozaziyo abezisebenza apha eza Ghanaians if ibizi drug dealers kuzawuthwani uyayibona
Use powder please.
Okay, so if bezingu powder ke bekuzawuthwani so uyayibona lonto leyo so apha ndicela kwenye
uxolo ukuqhawula emlomeni uxolo ukuqhawula emlomeni imasis mano uxolo ukumqhawula emlomeni is not everyone is doing powder job brother ne and when I trying to understand that thing there back there bayenzile ukusesha baseshile before la amaganeni ahambe for sure they know the truth. It's just because you don't want to come up with the plan, guys. That's all. You don't want me to one way.
Sisi su express i-anger zakho i-anger issues zakho zibeke ecaleni apha siya debate. There is no point of we need to fight each other.
Let's go
Your
back
anger
to the
issues put aside here.
Oh my goodness.
Party why always amadoda afuna ukuthi kuzuye wona ahlule ukulalela usisi lapha enzansi.
English please. English please. People are crying about English in the comment section.
Okay, my host. Okay.